Today I bring you one of my very favorite boxes, Simply Earth. It comes with some essential oils, recipes, and different things that you need to make things out of your essential oils, which is always really interesting to me how much you can actually do with essential oils. Let's take a look inside. So with every box you get, I think it's 5 to 6 recipe cards. Mine are a mess because I've already been in this box. You get 5 to 6 recipe cards, and you get labels for all the stuff that you make, which is awesome. Oops. I got a few extra oils, so let me pull those out because they didn't come with the monthly box. All right. So we got cypress oil, orange oil, patchouli, and a blend called Energy, which I've already been using it a lot. We also got one of these little things. This is like a personal inhaler. There's like a little bit of cotton down in there, and you put the oil on that, and then you can like smell it. I guess it's essential oils on the go. We've got these reeds. I think we're going to make our own diffuser. And we even got these little lava beads. This is going to be another type of diffuser. Let's take a look at our recipes. I can't talk today. We've got a recipe for a roll-on. When you first subscribe, you get a big blue box which has the different carrier oils that you need and different bottles, and there's roll-on bottles in there, so we can use one of those to make the Persevere roll-on. And then we have the DIY reed diffuser. And what else do we have? We have the, anxiety relief inhaler. I should take that to work and inhale it when I'm at work. And then the lava rock diffuser. There's bonus diffuser recipe on the back. That's cool. Oh, for using in your actual diffuser gotcha. Then we have Creative Zone diffuser blend for your diffuser you put water in. And then It's Okay to Grieve diffuser blend. So 2 diffuser recipes that don't use your diffuser, and then 2 blends for your diffuser that uses water, and a roll-on. So that is really cool. I will tell you that the Energy blend is really yummy. It's got peppermint, eucalyptus, and lemon in it, and I really like that. I'm not a big fan of patchouli, and that's what this whole box smells like. But I'm gonna give it a shot and use it in these recipes and see if I like it. So, oh, you want to see what I got on the side? So I was reading about different essential oils you can use in your hair to stimulate hair growth, because my hair's been thinning since I had my last baby. So I got lavender. I was out of it, and that was supposed to be good. I also got, doesn't say on the outside. Oh, I got rosemary, which is supposed to be good for that. And cedarwood, which is also supposed to be good for that. So I think I'm going to mix them all together, put them in a little bit of a carrier oil, and massage it into my scalp and let it sit before I wash my hair. So we'll see. We'll see if it does anything. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions about this box, I'll put some stuff down below. But why don't you write down in the description box below your favorite essential oil and how you like to use it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.